Sima, now everyone knows you are in a polygamous relationship.
Damn. Damn. Damn.
Now, your man has 2 wives, right? This is excluding you. You're not the wife yet. Which of the wives is your favorite?
Ukoswenzani ayibo lo baba lo her name is Ulrato. Yeah, she's actually really dope and she's been following me for a while. You know, she's really dope. I've spoken to her over the phone. She's cool. Ayibo ushadile. Yeah, but it's Lerato. Yeah, but can I take my shot? I'm sorry.
You know one thing about Usima, ne? She always says, after a breakup, she'll always say, I just want a relationship a secretive. I just want a relationship a private. I don't want anyone to know about umjolo. But guess what? The next relationship sizoyazi ngakaqedi even nonyaka. 1 year, sizabe sesiyazi ukuthi hayi Usima is dating this guy. So Usol asked Usima about her new man, guys. Indoda kaSima Enja, boyfriend kaSima Enja, which is Andile Mofokeng, unamakhosikazi ayi-2 officially. Abafazi abayi-2, not ama-girlfriend. Abafazi abayi-2, which is Lerato nalo munye bathi bani? Tiranan the go to what ku-Instagram engathi igama lakhe libhale kanjani. Tiran or Tranan, something like that. But they go to what naye into forex ukulento zokutrade, guys. Then the first wife, I'm not sure about the career, but they seem like they're living a good life, they're happy, and relationship yabo isithembu sabo nje is one of the healthiest polygamy in SA that I knew of. So guys, usol uthemba kabuza uSima ukuthi who is your favorite wife kulawa fazi baka boyfriend yakho, and she said uLerato. So this confirms uSima sebam-introducile kubafazi, even though bangabonani face to face, but they have officially introduced uSima via call because uthi uke wakhuluma ne-first wife yaka-Andile, which is uLerato, and she seemed very cool. Yingakho akhethe uLerato, guys. You know, I feel like this relationship will be the best relationship Usima has ever had, even though singazi much about it or singazi a lot of things about the relationship, but it seems like la angene khona abantu bakhona banokuthula, abantu bakhona nje kunokuthula nje and kunothando. So I believe if uthanda nendoda enothando and enokuthula, now ne-relationship yakhona iba nokuthula and iba nothando. I'm so happy, guys, ngosima. Like le relationship, guys, I'm vouching for it. I've seen abanye abantu bathi we are promoting abantu abajoyina amadoda abantu just because it's Sima. But guys, there's a difference between isithembu no-cheat. I don't feel like Andile uyacheata now because the-agreement abe nayo namakhosikazi wakhe ukuthi when you get a wife, when you get a girlfriend, that will potentially be number 3. Please introduce us. So I guess uSima will be number 3 njengoba Andile ahlala asho kuma-live wakhe ukuthi uSima very soon uzoba number 3 if izinto zabo zihamba kahle uzomlobola and yonke into ihambe kahle. Asini uSima athi she's not ready for mshado, maybe makana 28 and she's 25, so maybe in 3 time Sima will be wife number 3 until we don't know. All we know now is they are happy and it seems like into yabo is official. That is all for now, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.